How are you?
I'm only shaking your hand if you give more funding to our RFS. So many people here have lost their homes.
We need some beds. We've got to have enough beds.
We need more help.
We can't go to bed.
Broke my heart because I would have happily sat down and had a cup of tea with him if he just had have asked, am I okay? What can we do to fix this situation? And he walked away as I asked for help.
I stood there with the same lady that you're referring to, and we talked about what she was asking for, which was a greater support for the firefighting effort in that part of New South Wales, and so we talked about that.
He just turned his back on her and I got angry, and I'm feeling bad for the people in the community who think I have stopped any opportunity for them to get any funding.
We need real help with people who need caravans, they need generators, they need to rebuild their lives, they need the basics of life.